In this uh, video we are going to see that how to create a class to print all the characters in a string. Here I have created a class called test, and within that main method I have created a string variable lst1, and the value is it Java within the course I have given, and I am using the for loop to print all the characters. This for loop will fetch the index value up to the length of this string, and here I am printing all that characters by fetching the index value. lst1 is the variable name, string variable, and by using the charAt method I am fetching all the value by using this index one by one. If you run this particular class, then output will be like is space I t again space JAEE. So it's printing all the characters within that string. So this is a just simple for loop to print the characters. This is the one of the method to print each character in a string. Thank you.